Ever wondered which indoor plants thrive best in low-light environments? Certain indoor plants are uniquely adapted to such conditions, offering benefits like improved air quality and an aesthetic touch to your home decor. Let us delve into some of the best indoor plants for low-light conditions. First on our list is the snake plant, also known as Sansevieria trifasciata. This sturdy gem thrives in low light, flaunting tall green leaves with yellow stripes. Plus, it's an air-purifying superstar. Snake plant, a truly hardy and striking addition to your indoor garden. Next up, we have the ZZ plant, or Zamioculcas zamiifolia. This gem features glossy, dark green leaves and thrives in dimly lit areas. It's remarkably drought-tolerant, requiring minimal care. For a low-maintenance and visually appealing plant, the ZZ plant is a perfect choice. Lastly, but certainly not least, we present the peace lily, scientifically known as spathiphyllum. This plant boasts stunning white flowers and glossy green leaves, thriving in low light while purifying your air. The peace lily, a beautiful and beneficial addition to any indoor space. So, there you have it. 3 amazing indoor plants that thrive in low-light conditions. The resilient snake plant, the evergreen ZZ plant, and the delicate peace lily. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more plant-related content. Happy indoor gardening!